Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from one of the university. Here not only the assistant professor, few other teaching positions are there from the 13 plus departments, and the salaries as per the UGC. Now going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. The content of the video, it is Radha Govind University from Jharkhand. So if you enter into the official website of this one, then click on this one here, walk-in interview. Then it is Indian Express. The advertisement is published in this one, and you may check down here, walk-in interview, the skill department post for Pan India and the teaching posts the given here. So few vacancies are there for the director, deputy director, HR, MIS, project manager, coordinator, accountant, office assistant, counselor and the receptionist. And coming to the teaching post, professor, associate and assistant professor are the tutor. And the departments are science, commerce, arts, all subjects, management, all branches, engineering, CS, ECE, EEE, CE and ME, computer science, BCA, MCA, and education, physical education, law, yoga, gym and swimming, art and craft, music, dance, state-wise, journalism and mass communication, hotel management, tour and travel management, and multimedia and animation designer, agricultural science or library science, nursing, pharmacy and paramedical, physiotherapy or software engineer. And the qualification required here are experience, and the reservation shall be as per the norms of UGC or state government, and the salary as per the UGC or state government. Here the selection will be based upon only the written test on 23rd Jan 2021, and the time is 12:30 to 2:30. So the communication skills in English and knowledge of computer is essential for all the posts, and applications will be accepted by email only, that is info@rgsst.org, .rgsst.skill2018@gmail.com, and the contact numbers are also given here, 9971804395 and 9871866582. So the candidates who belongs to these departments with UG or PG or non-UGC NET or UGC NET or the PhD, so you people may apply to this one, but because here the tutor vacancies are also there. And if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, here the contact numbers are there and the mail ID is also provided, so you may contact them or you may mail them. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET Paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.